Previously what we found is that our patients that are dependent on wheelchairs have found it very difficult to access the hospice and its services, but having this fantastic car now is going to enable our volunteer drivers to be able to pick patients up from their home to bring them in so they can access the services that we offer, including psychological support, symptom control, and overall reduce the risk of social isolation. So we're really looking forward to using it.
Acorn, we've been helping people for the last 20 years with our stairlifts, and we've been delighted as a company to be involved with Curie and the hospices around the country, helping them by providing stairlifts for their patients. Now, even better, we're able to provide for them a vehicle which will allow them to take patients to and from here whilst in the wheelchair. Our staff are very supportive of what we're doing, and they're delighted that they can help such an excellent cause.